Give me a bottle of something to help me forget my problems. Oh, maybe not that strong. What is this, breakfast? Yeah, that's about right. See you later.
But we had an appointment.
What's that? An actor flaking on an obligation? Welcome to Hollywood.
I think you mean Hollywoo. Did you see? Someone stole the D off the sign.
Cough, 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 door slam.
You'd think these coffees would get the juices flowing.
Well, they do have Baileys in them.
Is that why I feel drunk? Because I've had like 7 or 8 coffees.
I mean, I admit it's been bad for ideas, but it's been great for camaraderie.